Hi guys, this is a guide by Bodyboards on how to fix 3 most common types of damages to your bodyboard. We will cover bubbling issues, holes, dings, and punctures to your bodyboard, and also your slick peeling off from your bodyboard. The first type of damage, bubbling issues. First, you want to make an incision with your box cutter and use your hot glue gun to put glue inside your incision. With a card, scrape across your damaged area to distribute the glue evenly. And then apply a layer of glue on the incision mark. And gently use your card to flatten out the glue. Let it dry and it will form a waterproof seal on top of the damaged area. The second type of damage, dings, cuts, holes, or punctures. With a hot glue gun, apply glue over the damaged area. Fill the hole completely with hot glue. With a card, scrape across the damaged area to ensure an even and flat surface. Let it dry and it will form a waterproof seal. Your third type of damage, your slick peeling off from your bodyboard. With a hot glue gun, apply glue over the peeled off area. Gently press against the separated areas. Tuck your slick back into the foam that wraps around it. And apply pressure evenly across the peeled off area. Let dry and your board should be as good as new.